Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining. This is Jamal Arif. I'm part of the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure team. So, as we continue on the series of FastConnect, today in this one, I'm going to talk about the connectivity model and, in fact, tackling the first connectivity model, which is direct to Oracle. So, there are a couple of options within direct to Oracle, and we are going to talk about that. Our safe harbor statement. So, there are three different FastConnect connectivity models. The first one is direct to Oracle data center colocation. This is suitable if you are co-located in the same FastConnect location as is Oracle. In that manner, you can establish connectivity by directly provisioning a connection from your network equipment to the Oracle Cloud Services. The second option is if you don't have an existing relationship with any of the FastConnect partner, you can create a dedicated circuit from your data center to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure FastConnect location by ordering a dedicated circuit from a third-party network carrier which is not an Oracle partner. And the last option is that you can establish connectivity between your data center and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure by ordering a circuit from an Oracle network provider. As we go through a number of all of these three different models, we'll go much more deeper into all the concepts that are involved and how do you set up each of these connectivity model. So before we talk about the FastConnect connectivity models, let's go over some of the concepts that are key to understanding the different FastConnect models and the FastConnect service itself. So FastConnect location. A FastConnect location is a specific Oracle data center where you can connect with the Oracle Cloud infrastructure. In the cloud.oracle.com, you can take a look at all the different FastConnect locations for each region. Metro area. So a metro area is basically a geographical area with multiple FastConnect locations. For example, Ashburn has two FastConnect locations. All locations in a metro area connect to the same set of availability domains for resiliency in case of failure in a single location. An Oracle provider is basically a network service provider that has integrated with Oracle in a FastConnect location. So once again, within the documentation, you can see the list of Oracle providers, and it is divided among all the different regions that we have. Third-party provider. So a third-party provider is a network service provider that is not on the list of Oracle providers. So if you have a third-party provider and what you want to use to create a dedicated circuit or a fast connect with that third-party provider, you can use one of the options as we talked in the previous figure. You can use a dedicated circuit model as well, where your partner is a third-party provider. The co-location is basically a situation where your equipment is deployed into a FastConnect location, which is also into an Oracle Cloud Infrastructure FastConnect location. So if your network service provider is not on the list of Oracle providers, you can co-locate as well. So in the co-location model or the third-party provider scenario as well, the cross-connect is the physical cable connecting your existing network equipment to the Oracle Cloud equipment in the FastConnect location. A cross-connect group is basically is a link aggregation group that contains at least one cross-connect, and you can add additional cross-connects to that cross-connect group as well to increase your bandwidth needs. This is applicable only when you are using the co-location model. So another important concept within the FastConnect connection is the concept of a virtual circuit. So whenever you create a FastConnect connection, there are two parts of it. The first is the physical part of it, where you physically connect the two network equipments, your own network equipment in your data center, either you are co-located or any of the service models, to the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure's edge router. Once the physical network is completed, the next part is the creation of the logical circuit. So the logical circuit is basically is known as the virtual circuit, and it's an isolated network path that runs over one or more physical network connections to provide a single logical connection between the edge of your existing network and the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure edge. You can also have more than one virtual circuits to isolate traffic from different part of your organization. So you can have a virtual circuit where you are just connecting to, for instance, one part of your organization, and you can have another virtual circuit for a different connection. For FastConnect, we always use BGP protocol to exchange routing information between the two endpoints. Within FastConnect, you'll also see that there are two different scenarios that you can build your virtual circuits BGP session, whether it's a layer 2 BGP connection or a layer 3. So let's go over the different FastConnect connectivity models. And the first model that we are going to discuss is the direct to Oracle data center colocation. So if you're co-located in the same FastConnect data center location, then you can directly provision a circuit between your network equipment in the FastConnect data center location and the Oracle edge. Oracle will provide you a letter of authorization that the data center provider will need in order to establish a direct cross connect into Oracle's FastConnect edge device. You can also order multiple cross connects to create a lag for redundancy. So let's look at the second option. So you can establish a FastConnect connection from your remote data center into the Oracle's data center where your cloud resources are provisioned by ordering a private or dedicated circuit from a network carrier that is not an Oracle FastConnect partner. This third-party network carrier, typically an MPLS or VPN provider, will be responsible for the entire physical connection between your on-premise network and the Oracle's data center. Oracle will also provide you a letter of authorization that you will need to provide to the network carrier of your choice, who will then provision the circuit for you. Just like in the case of co-location model, in direct co-location model as well, you can order multiple circuits from your network carrier into the Oracle Cloud Data Center for additional redundancy. Mostly you'll see that this connectivity model is suitable if you have some existing relationships with certain network carriers, and if your on-premise or remote data center location is not served by any of the Oracle's FastConnect partners. So when you in the first model that we have discussed, with direct to Oracle model, there are a couple of options. So you can either go with if you are co-located in the same model, or if you are connecting using the third-party network carrier. In both these models, you can have multiple cross connects part of your cross connect group for redundancy. So you can add multiple cross connects of 10 gigs and create a cross connect group. When you create a cross connect group, we actually group them together to form a lag. Uh, you can have up to like 8 cross connects in a cross connect group, and all of these cross connect groups are landing on the same router. And when you are creating through the console or the API, it actually gives you an option to choose that whether the ports are on the same cross connect group or on the same router, or on a different router and a different cross connect group. So once the physical connection is set up, the next step is to create a logical connection, that's the virtual circuit. When you create the virtual circuit, the BGP connection is between the Oracle edge in the FastConnect location and the customer's edge router within the same FastConnect location as well, because we are currently discussing the co-located model. The traffic passes through your dynamic routing gateway to your private virtual cloud networks, to your private IPs in your virtual cloud network. And the connectivity is established between your on-premise network over the FastConnect dedicated connectivity path via the DRG to your VCN. So that's all from this video. In the next video, we'll do a quick demo of how do you set up the direct to Oracle FastConnect connection on OCI. Thank you for joining.